Hi everyone, I am going to be showing you how to install a shower shelf, and that's going to go right here. So it goes on the corner. We only have to remove the grout, and we're going to be using only 3 tools: a silicone squeegee, a utility knife, and a caulking gun. The first thing I'm going to do is just mark off the slots. All right, so now it fits. So it's a little bit shaky, or like right now, but once we put some silicone in it, it'll stop sounding like that. All right, so now we're ready for silicone, and we're gonna apply it on the slots. I hate that smell. And then we'll give it another pass. Silicone.